Start. Mr. Deputy Chairman, Sir, we are aware that democracy is constantly changing its laws to suit the changing needs of the times as they arise. In a democracy, when a decision has been arrived at, it is accepted by majorities and minorities alike till the same should be changed at a later date in the prescribed way. Today, we have a new map of India, and since a decision has been taken, it is our sacred duty to accept it. If any change should be needed at a later day, they can easily be introduced in the same manner as the present ones have been done. So far as languages are concerned, I believe they should be allowed to solve their problems themselves. Any artificial attempt will hardly help us to reach the desired goal. In a democracy, everybody has got to be educated to be able to play his proper part as a citizen. It is also obvious that such universal education can be given in no language other than the mother tongue. It is also not right to wait for education to be imparted in a particular language till adequate literature in that is ready for the purpose. No language and no literature can grow or have grown in that manner. We have to start teaching in the language in which we want education to be given. There would certainly be a very great deal of mixing of various languages in the circumstances in which we are placed today. Technical expressions will have to be bodily accepted to begin with in large numbers. Such mixture has taken place everywhere, and we should not trouble ourselves. There would certainly be a very great deal of mixing of various languages in the circumstances in which we are placed today. If the same thing takes place here as well, all living languages have the capacity to absorb suitable words from other languages and make a part of their own. Our language too should not be deprived of this wholesome natural law and process. If we wait for books to appear before we start, would be like putting the cart before the horse. Literature will follow our attempts to teach in any language of our choice. This process will eliminate most of the difficulties we face today because of language. It will not interfere with the education of anyone in any subject. Stop.